Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to complain a delivery on Amazon. So on your app, go to the account here at the bottom part of the application, and you have to go to your account, and then just scroll down and you will see contact us under customer service, and then you will have to view your orders to choose the order that you have a complaint with, and then you will be directed to the chat assistance of Amazon, and there you can lay all your complaints with the product. And that's it. That's how you complain on an Amazon delivery. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.